guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're here to talk to you about a bunch of new exciting products we have for the Ski-Doo 850 turbo models. They first came out with that sled in 2020 in an early release, and then they had the official first full year production in 2021, and then they'll be available in 2022 as well. These products pertain to those models. We'll start off with our new super sexy stainless steel lightweight muffler for this model. You're going to save 10 pounds. You're going to pick up 4.5 horse. Retail price of $499.95. Again, 100% stainless steel. Drops right in place of the stock unit. Nothing to modify, anything like that. Just bolt it on, go. Can't go wrong there. The next we're going to look at is our Torque Link ECU upgrades. We have 3 flashes available. The flash tool itself, if you don't want to send us your ECU, or if you don't have a dealer in your area, the flash tool itself retails for $449.95, and then the flashes are $449.95 as well. So if you just want the flash, it's $449. If you want to get the tool, it's an additional $449. Stock, these sleds, they're putting out like 171 horsepower. Our stage 1 flash is 10 horse over stock. We add a little bit of boost, play with fuel, play with timing, get you in that 181 horsepower range, runs on 91 premium pump gas. Stage 2, adding 20 horse, about 2 pounds of boost, doing some more stuff with the fuel, more stuff with the timing. That runs on 93 octane. Stage 3 requires a pump gas and race gas mix of 95 octane. That adds 30 horse. That puts you in that 211 horsepower range. Again, adding about 3 pounds of boost, doing some things with the fuel, doing some things with the timing as well. Next, we have our stainless steel screen mesh vent kit, just to help get some cold air under the hood, cool the clutches down, cool the belt down, cool the exhaust down, cool the charge temps down, which in turn will give you some more power, give you more consistent running as well. Just with the boost, and as we turn it up, the charge tube temps over time can get hot, and you can see some fade there with the charge tube temps increasing. Super simple, easy install. Again, a nice, strong, durable stainless steel mesh screen. Nice aluminum, black anodized aluminum frame and the rivets that go with it. $39.95. Simple, easy way to drop under hood temps. Then to kick it all off and to make sure that everything's working together, we've got our clutching package. This retails for $259. This comes with our exclusive Speedwerx machine clutch weights. They're made right here in-house, made in the USA. The clutch weight setup, you can run anywhere from 51 grams all the way up to 60 grams. And then you can see we have our weight adjustment kit here, some Loctite, and then we have our clicker adjusters too. This gives you twice as many clicker adjustments or half adjustments compared to the stock setup. And there you have it. This is kind of everything you need to make this thing rip. It already does stock, but whether if 171 isn't good for you, you want 181, 191, 211. These are all the parts and components you need to show your buddies what's up. So check this stuff out on our website, speedwerx.com. If you guys have any questions, let us know.